This video contains an overview of the activities required to prepare for and complete the installation of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. Let's begin. As part of the pre-installation process, you'll need to consider the following requirements: software, browser, single appliance, Linux on x86 or Linux on Z, VMware guest if you're using Linux on x86, CA Common Services, and product integration. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence integrates with a number of CA Technologies products. For example, you can obtain source data from products such as CA SysView Performance Management, CA Detector for DB2 for ZOS, CA Vantage Storage Resource Manager, CA Netmaster, and CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence. In addition, you can stream SMF data for CICS transactions. You can also obtain alert information by integrating with products like CA Ops MVS Event Management and Automation and CA Mainframe Application Tuner. The pre-installation and installation activities rely on the expertise of a variety of mainframe professionals: a systems programmer, a network administrator, a security administrator, a system operator, and a storage administrator. Individuals with expertise in VMware or Z-Linux may also be required. Now let's talk about the tasks required to complete the installation. Remember to start these tasks only after completing all of the pre-installation requirements. To complete the installation, you'll configure and deploy the appliance, IPL the appliance, verify the appliance status, transfer the ISO file if using Linux on x86, or reboot Z-Linux. Finally, you'll enable applications in the appliance controller. After completing the installation tasks, refer to the product documentation at techdocs.broadcom.com to complete any remaining steps required to integrate your selected products with CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. For more detailed information about CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence, visit broadcom.com and access the product documentation, support, or communities.